Hey guys, this is Molly from American Dream House, and today I'm going to show you a really easy DIY Valentine that you can give out at school or at work or wherever you want, to your friends, etc. So we're going to start by just drawing a heart on a piece of cardstock. And I know you guys are usually taught to do the whole like fold the paper in half thing and cut a heart, but I personally don't like creases in the middle of my hearts. That's why I'm gonna draw one out, and once I'm happy with it, I'm just gonna take scissors and cut it out. Then all you have to do is write on the front who it's for. So you're gonna write to. And I'm gonna make this one for my mom, but I call her Mem, so I'm spelling it M-E-M. And then on the back, you write love, and then your name, obviously. And then we're gonna take a hole punch and punch it in the corner of the heart. And then we're gonna take our ribbon loop it through the hole, and we're just gonna tie it right onto the lollipop. And make a little bow. Once you're done with that, the last step is totally optional, but I like when my ribbon is curled at the end, and you do that by taking your scissors, and be careful when you're doing this, by the way. You take your scissors and go like this. That's it.